So we're digging a hole to get underneath. No, the thing is that realistically you should all be helping, so come on, this is your workout. So get stuck in and dig it for everybody to be able to pass underneath. You got your tools are your hands. Come on. You've had it easy tonight, you guys. Way too easy. You having a rest there, Caroline? What about you, Colette? John, less of the chit-chat, get digging.
I've dug it, it's done, it's adequate that.
Are you sure?
Yeah, there's no big headers here tonight, alright.
Alright, and off you go, so we get under it, well done. Super. Craig, are you, oh, because your arm. Yeah. Fantastic. Well done. So that t-shirt of yours stands in. Fantastic. Come on everyone, you dug the hole. What do they say? You dug the hole, you deal with it. Yeah. Colette's nice when people do. John.
That's abuse, that is.
And I'm now stuck.
Get that on YouTube. Get someone in the face.
You've been in the pool, you're
Well done.
Yeah.
Shit,
that stinks.
It's clean, that's alright, that.
God, right down, right, yeah. Great, just wiggle.
Well done.
Get that white headband dirty, come on.
I'm going to get a back for that.
Football, sliding tackle.
Yeah, come on, Jill, you're slacking tonight, you. That's it. Oh. Well done. Oh, give yourself a huge clap. Well done. Fantastic. Onwards.